in my house it was time to upgrade my heating and cooling system. And to be honest, I didn't know which way to go. Let me show you what I learned today about what works and what doesn't work with a heating and cooling system. Now, one of the most important things that I want you to think about is it's not just about the brand of the unit. You can buy the best brand and the most expensive out there, but if you've got a low quality installation team, it's not going to work. So both of those things in your decision-making process should be key. Now, when it came to my unit here, I had a 1977 house with a horrible inefficient unit. It was about 80% efficiency when it comes to usage. That means I was sending a lot of heat in the wintertime out the top. And then I had window air conditioners, and that was just burning up my power bill, and I could watch it on my Sense. Now, like many people, I've got a 2-story house. What's that mean? It's always hotter upstairs because of that natural convection. How did I deal with this in my old house? We actually rebuilt the trunk line that was down in the crawl space so that I could put dampers in so I could have 2 different systems in the house. Even though I have 1 unit here and 1 unit outside for the AC, I could actually control the temperature upstairs and downstairs with 2 thermostats. That gives you a lot of indoor air comfort, and maybe it's not that expensive when you're putting in a brand new system. Now, one of the things that I wanted to deal with was indoor air quality with this brand new unit. That is something that can be easily done these days with technology. So I've got 2 different systems going on here. I have the factory carrier unit that came with my system up here, for example, and this one here has a UV filter in it, so it's blasting any of that dirt particles and mold and stuff that's coming in. And then on top of it, I've got a really big filter that they actually put carbon strips through that's negatively charged, so it actually attracts things into it. And then it goes down through my system. Now, on the output, I put an air scrubber in because I wanted to make sure that if anything like viruses or something that came through that upper unit wouldn't go out. That means for a clean house and a healthy home, and who doesn't want that? Now, one last little tip. I want to see a very clean installation out here. When my building inspector came out, he said that this was the prettiest installation he'd seen in years. That's what you're looking for. Someone that comes in and does a great job for you. This thing here is going to save me a ton of money, and if you do it right, it can save you a ton of money as well. That makes it easier on you and the environment.